And we are out. Ooh, how exciting, babe.
We're going outside.
Going outside. No, today's mission is to find Jord a suitable bike that we can put Rain on the back of as well. Right, babe?
Yeah.
So we've got to get 2 buses and then we'll be there. And there's a playground there. And then obviously the bike shop. And a shopping centre, yeah. So we're hoping Rain will just get all of his energy out at the playground. And then we can do what we need to do. Are you eating cucumbers?
4 minutes.
Hi. Look how cute you are on your toes. Oh. We have arrived to Wandsworth. We've just walked through the shopping centre, but it's so cute. I haven't been here for years, so this is like so nostalgic to me. Cute little fountain. Okay, just ignore this gang of pigeons. You want to watch some tennis? We're just going to give Rain some lunch and chill with our coffees before we go to the bike shop. Rain loves a bit of a crawl. So he's been obsessed with paths recently, so every place we go to he'll find a concrete path and just crawl across it until his knees are red. That is cute footage. Are you gonna balance? You
wanna go again? Why are you like a monkey? Your hands here.
You're in the This playground's had a lot of improvements since I was a kid. Go. Do it. Ready? And yeah, he can climb off. His hands, babe. Wow, Rain.
Well done.
Good job.
Boo. Peekaboo. I got so hot just watching Rain. Jord and I swap duties. I'm sitting under the tree. Such a nice day today. Are you going to be sad if we go home without a bike today? No. I'm going to be sad. I really want you to get a bike. Strawberry.
Are you building your immune system today?
Yes.
What do you think, Rain? You see the bike? Jord is in his element.
We'll go as well for the fourth one.
So basically, Jord used to do a lot of cycling back at home in Birmingham, but he hasn't done for a few years. So we're trying to look for a bike for him, but one that Rain can also get on the back of. So we need to get Rain like a little seat like that, and a helmet and stuff, of course. The man's just giving Jord a little rundown on the bikes. Rain's having a little snack. What do you think of this helmet, Rain? You like it? Just try it on your head. Yay! I like the look of this one. Jord wants this one because apparently it's better. But this one's more in our price range. I think that's a good...
£50 more.
Oh, is it? How much better is it though?
Well,
Okay.
because
Alright then.
this has got, you see how it's got 2 chain rings?
Oh yeah, it's got
Which
like the
means
double.
It's got more range.
Yeah.
Oh, this one, straps on the front.
The guy is going to check if there's a refurbished one, which will be what, slightly cheaper and I mean just as good.
Yeah.
So, fingers crossed he comes back with the good news. But they figured out we'd need the little child seat with a wrap thing like this. And is that it? Yeah, that's it. And you can get a little suspension for his get a little suspension for the baby seat so that it doesn't hurt his bum so much. Which is quite good. Rain's been so good, he's just been chilling. He literally had lunch like half an hour ago, but we need all the snacks he can get right now to keep him calm. So they only have a large in refurb, and this display one's also a large, but it's too big for Jord. So the bike that we were thinking of getting is currently out of stock. And I don't know for how long, but apparently it should come back in stock soon. I'm assuming it's because of COVID and stuff, which is a bit annoying. But at least we're getting clued up on everything, you know? Hey, Bubba. But also, if I wanted to use it, it would be too big for me as well. Rain's getting sleepy. Are you getting tired? You want Mama to walk around with you? We just grabbed some lunch to take away, but we're finished at the bike shop now. What did the guy say in the end?
The one that I want, they don't have it in stock.
Mm.
But said they should fit in a few weeks.
Yeah,
So I
yeah.
got a good indicator of what I need, you know?
Yeah, and the guy was really helpful actually. But yeah, at least we know like
we know
what we're
about the
looking
baby
for. Yeah, we know all about the baby stuff that we need to get.
So you went back to the shop that you bought it from because in House Owen there's like a...
Oh, I just missed it. Is that yummy?
Oh!
Yeah, you better eat that quick before he eats all.
Oh my god. Do you like barbecue sauce? Yeah.
Rain's just having a nap. We had some food. We're gonna go home now, I think. Feels like it's way later in the day, but it's actually earlier. It's like 3 o'clock now, I think, something like that. What do you think of Wandsworth, Jord?
Loved it, first time. It's like going to a different city, isn't it? Even though we're in London.
Yeah, London's so big, it's crazy. We're just walking to the bus stop now. We're going the long way so that Rain can have a nicer snooze, because I know as soon as we get on the bus he's going to wake up. But this is good, we're getting our steps in. Getting our steps in for the day. And we've got some nice views. There's like a river here called the Wandle River, and there's a whole load of houses that are like backed up onto it, and they've like decked out their gardens with like little jetties and kayaks and stuff, so it's really cute. Yeah, it's a nice little walk really. All this nice pollen.
Get fit first, otherwise it won't last 10 miles.
Down road.
Made it back home and I am tired. Rain's just playing. Got Thomas the Tank Engine on in the background. And it's always dinner time.
Rory.
Rory. Trying to eat me. Do you see Thomas? Ah. Just relaxing outside with Rain, but I think I'm going to end the vlog now. We're just going to have dinner and then probably chill and do some work for the rest of the evening. So I hope you enjoyed a little day with us vlogging, and I will see you in the next vlog. Bye. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video if you think I should do more vlogs. I prefer doing vlogs, I think, to like sit down videos, although maybe I should do some sit down videos. We'll see. Anyways, hope you all have a great day. Bye.